Hi everyone, welcome to the Marketing Rocket introductory video. First of all, I wanted to thank our beta subscribers, testers and pre-sale buyers. We've had a really positive response to our initial pre-release from both the Joomla community and the marketing community as a whole. We're really excited to show you what Marketing Rocket can do for your business, either as a site developer, marketing consultant, or a business owner looking to sell products, and of course, what's in store for future releases. For those who have not yet installed Marketing Rocket, please head to the installation documentation page on the Marketing Rocket website for more information. If you have any specific support inquiries or experience any issues, please log in using your email and password and submit a support ticket at our website. Marketing Rocket is designed as an all-in-one sales automation tool for business and marketing consultants. It contains 3 core features. Create beautiful landing pages in just minutes using our custom drag and drop editor. Create email autoresponders that will fire off in response to actions taken on your landing pages. Marketing Rocket integrates with Mandrill, which allows improved mail deliverability and gives you up to 12,500 free emails per month. Or subscribe to your existing list in MailChimp and let MailChimp handle the autoresponders. Our Light CRM lets you see all the data a lead has submitted to you using Marketing Rocket. You can add notes to a lead or see their progress in campaigns. You can also tag them to track their progress and set them on new paths through new relevant campaigns. Let's have a look at the Marketing Rocket dashboard. The dashboard is split into 3 separate sections. We have quick links at the top. These take us to the various key areas of the software. It also advises us of messages from the Marketing Rocket team and gives us a quick link to our documentation pages. When there's an update available, the update icon gives you quick access to perform a one-click update, so you always have the latest version of our software. The second section is the statistics. We've trimmed down our statistics just to show the important information that you need to track your campaign, without all the complexity. For those that want further tracking, Google Analytics and other tracking codes are easily integrated into Marketing Rocket. Finally, we have the top performing landing pages view, which shows just the best performing pages across all campaigns. The best way to show you through Marketing Rocket is to create a quick opt-in funnel. In this example, we're going to create 2 pages, a thank you page and a quick squeeze page that's going to offer free valuable information in exchange for a lead's email address and name. This should give you a good overview of the basics of Marketing Rocket so you can get ready to start experimenting on your own and creating your own high converting campaigns. Let's jump straight in. Ideally, we want to build out our funnels backwards. You're probably wondering why we want to build backwards. Well, simply put, you can't link to a page that does not exist. For example, if I create my squeeze page first, my first landing page, I cannot set it to link to the thank you page as we haven't created it yet. But by creating our funnel backwards, we can link everything up nicely the first time. This, simply put, is the most efficient way to create a funnel. But there are many ways to do this in Marketing Rocket, such as by using the campaign visualizer to map out your page connections, or by using the campaign wizard, which will be available to everyone on full launch. But we'll cover these in another video. This is just my preferred way to create a funnel using Marketing Rocket. So we're going to start by creating our last page, our ebook thank you page. Let's go to Pages and press New. Now we're presented with a list of templates. We're going to choose one that we feel is the most relevant for our use. We can also choose from a blank canvas, but I would suggest you use the existing templates and customize as appropriate until you're more familiar with the creator and its features. Okay, so I'm going to select a template by simply clicking on it. Now the editor's open, let's go through the basics so you understand how to create high converting landing pages. The editor is split into 3 main sections: the settings panel, where you can change all the page settings and item settings, the items icons, which lists all the different types of items you can add to a page, and the canvas, which is the editor area and shows you an accurate display of how the page will look when live. When creating a new page, the landing settings will pop open so you can set up the page settings quickly and then go on to editing the page itself. Each option here has a tooltip that explains its use. Any item with a star is required for the page to function. Let's set up a basic page, as we don't need a form or anything advanced on this final thank you page. Now we can edit our page to look how we want. To understand how to use the editor, we need to understand the different page containers and how they work with 12 columns in a row. But never fear, this is very easy to grasp with our visual editor. Firstly, we have 3 main containers, where your content will sit on a page. Let's have a look at these. The first one is sections. Sections are long, full-width bars along the page. These might have coloured, image or gradient backgrounds. A section is represented by the blue buttons and border. These are the bottom layer of the page. Rows are basically your page area, where you can drop your content. These also have a variety of backgrounds, borders, page margins and more. Rows are identified by a green settings icon and a green border. Rows sit inside of the sections. Items. Items are the actual content items you drop into the page. You drag the icons directly from the items panel. These sit inside rows and can be resized by dragging the edges, They're represented by red borders and settings buttons. Items will have different types of settings depending on what the item is. They're all very self-explanatory as to how they work. Anytime, if you want to see what column or item is where, you can turn on wireframe mode. This will show you all the border boxes of the different types of containers. This is very handy to troubleshoot any visual issues you might have if you drop an item that throws out your layout. 12 columns in a row. Understanding the 12 columns is quite easy. The responsive framework we use is called Bootstrap. Our drag and drop creator handles all the code for you. All you need to know is that Bootstrap is 12 columns wide. Each item we drop into Canvas can be set to how many columns it will take up. This way we can easily create 2-column, 3-column, sidebars or whatever combination you like on a page. Let's move forward with our funnel example to explain more. If I want to create 2 columns on my page, one side with an image and one side with a text box, thanking the lead for registering for an appointment, I would simply drop my image, hover over it and drag the edges until it is the desired width. Then grab the text box and drag it to the remaining space. Now I can edit my image using image settings, and I can edit my text box, adding my thank you message. This page is now completed. It's that easy. Let's press save, and now we just need to create our squeeze page. So now we go new and select a new template to use. I'm going to go ahead and fill out the basic settings like name as before. This page will need some extra settings. We're going to set up a form, and this page is going to need to send out an autoresponder sequence too. Thankfully, this takes just seconds to set up. First, we'll select the page as form and we'll choose the different page action to go to our thank you page we created previously. We don't really need to use the form editor here, as we're just going to use the default name and email address, but we can drag and drop any field types that we'd like. Now I want to tag my lead so I know this lead has opted in for the ebook. I'm going to create a new tag. Tags are used to track any action that a lead takes in your funnel, so create them often and be specific. Lead tagging is a common feature of many CRMs and gives you the ability to target leads with new campaigns later, depending on the actions they have taken, that is, the tags they've been assigned. Now we'll set up a simple responder. This will contain one email, which will send out the ebook that they've requested. We'll create a new sequence called ebook requested. We can add the emails to this later. Now, let's again customize the page. I'm going to change the colors to match our branding. As you can see, this only took moments. Now we're finished with this page, let's press save and create our emails. This will send out our ebook when we register on our opt-in page. Now we're going to go to autoresponders and new. We select our autoresponder sequence from the list and fill in the appropriate details. We want our responder to send right away, so in the send after, we're going to put 0. Send after is the number of days until sending of an email. Now we can use a predefined template or create a new one using the simple editor. I'm going to copy in the shortcode that will put the name of our subscriber into the email to make it a bit more personalized. Now I'm going to attach our demo PDF, and we're all done. Now we just save, and our campaign is ready to test and go live. To view our campaign and find the campaign link, we can simply go to the Landing Pages tab and click on the link button next to our first page. This link is the one we can direct our adverts to, or call to actions to refer people to the page. And now you can see our page is live. Thanks for watching. This is a really quick taster of what Marketing Rocket has in store. We already have up to 50 feature requests from our original design team and project leads. You can expect over the coming weeks Marketing Rocket to become far more polished and deliver numerous new features